packed it in the case in a special way. We wanted everyone to understand that. We're using 3 rubber washers to protect the tip, and it fits nice and snug right inside. But when you take it out, you're going to have to reinsert the plastic tip. And the easiest way to do this is to turn the can over and put pressure on it, and it's going to pop back in the lid. So again, if it does spray a little bit of the tire sealant in here, don't be alarmed, because you'll only do this when you need to use it. So set it right up there. It's going to pop this black piece right back into the lid. And 1, 2, 3, hit it. And now the seal's back inside. None of it came out, and it's ready to inflate with just regular pressure and threading it right on to the valve stem. Thanks again, RPM TETESEAL Aftermarket Accessories. Okay, now the TITESEAL can, please be sure to read the instructions on here. If it's very cold out, I suggest you warm this first. And again, the tip does thread on, so it's super easy to use. Any type of slow leak, TITESEAL. Made by RSC, Radiator Specialty Company in Charlotte, North Carolina.